Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 11 search bar not working. Let's fix it guys. Method 1 is to restart Windows Explorer. To do this, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, you just need to scroll down to the bottom. Right click on the Windows Explorer and select Restart. After getting restart done, you can check if the problem solved or not. Method 2, restart search service. To do this, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. Search for Windows search service. Double click on it. Startup type set to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it and select apply and OK for save changes. After that, right click on it and select restart. After getting done, just to close stuff here. Method 3 is to run system file checker SFC and DISM. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it. You just need to wait for this command to get 100% complete. After the SFC scan completes, run the following commands one by one. And after getting all commands done, you can close stuff here. Method 4, check for Windows update. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending updates listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just to close stuff here. Method 5 is to restart the device. Simply restarting your device can sometimes resolve temporary issues with the search bar. Method 6 is to reset the search feature. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it. Press enter. After getting done, just to close stuff here. I hope one of these method fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.